All right, let's look at a slightly more trickier problem here. Something that's not just moving straight, but it's maybe coming back. And so we got to think about how far is it going back? How much time did that take? So look at example problem 2. Mr. Hubney walks 5 meters. Okay, so again, we got some information. I'm going to just start writing this down now, right? So we got 5 meters for my distance from room 153 to 141, time of 7 seconds. You put that down for time. Okay, so pretty straightforward so far here. But he forgot his water bottle, so he runs back to room 141 to get it in a time of 3 seconds. So I ran all the way back, so I have to add my trip back, which is, of course, 5 meters, because it's 5 meters there, it's going to be 5 meters back. And I need to add the time that took to my time, so that was 3 seconds. So I'm going to add that as well. So you may have forgotten to add another 5 meters because it doesn't say 5 meters, but we know it was 5 meters because it took 5 meters away to go. It's going to be 5 meters to get back, right? Same distance. Okay, so that's where we got that. Remember, we're going to find average speed, okay? We're going to find average speed. So we need to know the total distance and total time. So that's why I'm adding these up. Speed is the total, average speed is the total distance over total time. My speed was changing. I walked and then I was running. So each part of the trip, the speed was different, but we're trying to find the average speed. So we're just taking the average of how fast I went. Now check this out. I'm not done yet. I got to go back to the other room, but I sprained my ankle. So I twist my ankle and I have to crawl back to the room. So now I have to go another 5 meters to get back to the other class, but I'm crawling, so it takes an additional 20 seconds. So I'm going to add that. Okay, so what is my, so this is it, that's it. Now we could find the average speed. Now we can find the average speed because we got everything we need. Ooh, I changed it to orange. It's cray. I don't want that. I want black. I want to highlight that. There we go. Okay, so, all right, well, I need my total distance, so 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we got 15 meters, and 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 20, so that took 30 seconds. So I'm going to use the equation for average speed. It's on your paper. It's in your notes as well. Distance divided by time, distance over time. And just like before, same thing. I take my distance, but now I had to add up my total distance. So 15 meters, right? That's what we found over here, right? And the total time was 30 seconds. So 15 divided by 30. So notice it's not 30 divided by 15. So some students always want to put the bigger number first, but actually the 15 goes first. 15 over 30, 15 divided by 30. So when you divide 15 by 30, that would be a half, or 0.5 in decimal form. So when you do in your calculator, 15 divided by 30, you can use your calculator, you'll get 0.5 meters per second, meters over second, because that's the units. We measure distance in meters, time in seconds. So hopefully that helped you, and now you'll get to do one of these on your own.